Can you hear that?
Welcome to Casa Stefano. This is my story of buying a house in Italy, sight unseen, during the pandemic, and the adventure of renovating the house and exploring the Salento in southern Puglia.
Hey there. So I'm up on the roof. Today's project is to take some measurements. I have no idea how big this place is. I have a guess, but I have no suitable dimensions for figuring anything out. So I'm going to basically map an accurate floor plan for the entire house today. So we'll start up here on the roof, which eventually will become a proper terrace. So let's get started. Can we get some music while he figures out how to use a tape measure? What is that, flamenco? What, is he gonna do the tango all by himself on the roof? That sounds like Jim Brickman music. He's not sad about doing measuring on the roof. Whoa, he's not leading the attack on the castle. Besides, the castle's down the road and you can just walk in, pay a few euro. No, can we get just a simple bossa nova or something? Can you hear that? Yeah, that's all the churches, except for the one across the street, thankfully. That's what you get at lunchtime. Actually, you get that at breakfast, lunchtime, and evening sometime. All right, so that's the bedroom. On to the next room. Okay, so last room. I'm gonna have to work around all this crap. Okay, so that was fun. The results are in. The terrace came in at about 700 square feet, right on the nose. And the house, 651. I didn't do the closet, so if I add in the closet, just about matches the footprint of the terrace. So we can call it 700 square feet of usable, livable area. And it sure seems a lot bigger than 700 square feet. I lived in a 900 square foot apartment. It was smaller than this place. But the ruler doesn't lie, so I'll take it. Thanks for watching. More to come.